Misty Island.
This is Misty Island? How does it work? Whoa! It's very cool. Can we try again with another train?
Sekarang ini random dog sama solder mainland.
Hari ini kamu mau tunjukin apa?
Mainan G semua.
Mainan G apa?
Thomas and his friend.
Okay. I can see you have the whole set. Sejak kapan kamu punya ini?
Waktu kecil sampai gede masih beli ini.
Oke, kamu suka banget Thomas? Okay, so Daddy and Mommy buy you one by one until you have a lot of it, right?
Juga ada Thomas.
Thomas Minis juga punya. Oke, tapi hari ini kita mau tunjukin mainan ini ya. Oke, sekarang siapa yang bikin railway-nya ini? Who did this? Hah?
I don't know.
How come? So,
Only Mommy and me. I little in today.
oh, so Mommy did this.
Last time.
And now show me your toys. Okay, let's start from here. What is this?
Dit Macet. Ada batu sama calik. Dia mau balapan, ada heret juga.
Let's try. Can you show me?
Go! No way.
Whoa!
Hey, let's try again.
Okay.
No. It can like this.
Okay.
Go! It's following.
Okay, it's following. Yay!
Yes.
Okay, now we have two heralds. How come?
Because Auntie buy this one and I buy with mom and dad. This.
Oh, so you already have this one.
This is.
Yes, this is the old one, and then Auntie just bought you this one, the new one. It's the same, but it's a new one.
Yeah.
What is this? I think this is the Sado Rescue Center, right?
Yeah. Woo!
Okay. Oh, hi Charlie. That is Charlie, right?
Yeah. How do you know?
Because it's purple. Am I right? Okay, next.
This.
Yes, what is this? Oh,
This is Blue Mountain Quarry.
Who is this?
It's not.
Oh, hi, Luke. Hi, Luke.
You want to push this
Okay, let's try.
like this or like this?
Like
You
what?
want like this or like this?
Well, up to you.
I don't know. You
Which?
choose.
Okay, this way.
This way. Okay. No.
What will happen?
I think that
So, what is this actually?
it's a Blue Mountain Quarry.
Oh, yes. It's the Blue Mountain Quarry. That's where Luke is.
Look, it can like this.
Oh, there is a rock.
And
Oh, okay. So actually we can move it to the truck. But what's inside the truck?
it's a Joby wood.
It's a Joby Woods.
Let's try again this the rock.
Okay.
No way. Okay.
Yay! So he's carrying all of it.
Oh, why he left this up? Sorry.
Oh, there is a bridge.
Yeah, it's not fit for this.
Yeah. Too big with the tractor. Okay, can we continue to see the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you have now?
Look.
Who is
Let's
this?
see from here first.
From there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is this?
This is teamwork. And
Steamwork?
then- Yeah, I only have Kevin, not yet Victor.
Oh, you don't have Victor yet.
Yeah, and I lost the one more Thomas in the bed, and then I lost the guitar.
Why did you lose it? You always lost some of your toys somehow. Okay, that's the steamwork. Can we go back here? Hi, Cranky. Hi. Oh, and look who's here.
Yes. This is the random dogs.
Okay, so that's why we have Creaky Cranky.
Yeah,
And who's here? Who's here? Tell me.
is citanya ini yang bohongan itu kan yang di ini citanya Thomas ini Soti tapi cuman bohong Soti ya kan? Dikit filmnya gitu.
Kenapa bohongan?
Loh kan filmnya gitu.
Oh gitu. Okay.
Dia
And-
ambil.
And how come we have this like who is this train?
It's Ashima.
She's in the random dogs. What is he doing?
He found the train.
I think he thought this is where the Great Railway Show is. Right?
Right.
So he met Thomas and Salty.
Dedi bilang ini citanya Thomas ini Soti ya. Bilang.
Oh, okay. So what is your name? Gitu. Ashima tanya gitu kan?
Heeh.
Terus dijawab apa?
Dedi menjawab.
I'm Thomas. Oh, itu Ashima bisa diputer kan?
Heeh.
Untuk ketemu Thomas.
Terus Thomas citanya marah kan?
Heeh.
Dia
Pertama ketemu Ashima dia gitu ya.
Heeh.
Hi Thomas gitu. Hi Ashima. Good morning everyone. I have a task today for all the trains. Everyone have to be a really useful engine. Okay, who is that, Gi? Sir Topman Hat and Winston. What is he doing here, Gi? Oh, what is this? Can you show me this?
Yeah.
Show me, hurry up.
Ini kan like this. And like this. Look.
What do we have next?
We have Diesel's home in there.
Where? This is Diesel's home.
Yeah.
Okay, where is Diesel?
He's here working all.
Okay.
Diesel.
What about this? What is this, Gi? Rack. His name is Rack.
Yeah.
He's a tractor.
No.
What is he?
He's scary in the.
He's carrying what?
He's scary.
Scary?
Yeah, because his teeth is like a trash like this.
Okay, show me how it works.
Look.
Hello, James.
I.
There are a lot of trains. Oh, who is this?
Yes.
Honor and who is this? Oops, sorry. This is Bill. Look, it's Bill.
Oh, Bell.
No, this is not Ben. This is Bill.
Look.
Very nice. What happened? Oh, he can take it like that. Oh, oh, you. if it's falling. That's how it works. Hi, Percy. Oh, Connor is out of the rail. You have another Thomas in here.
Yeah.
You have two Thomas, right?
Yeah.
That one and also this one. Oh.
Let's try again, man.
Okay.
Woo.
Okay, so they can carry it away. Gee, who is this?
Terrace.
Terrence? I don't think it's Terrence.
Terrace.
Terrace?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I take a look? Trevor! Trevor! It's Trevor! He's from what movie? Do you remember?
No.
No? But you saw the movie, right? You watched the movie, right? Of Trevor. Okay, so we have bridge. We have bridges. See? Another bridges there.
We need a lot of train.
Yeah.
Because it's heavy. This is very heavy. So we need a lot of train. And Corner bring this, so we need a lot of train. Because Corner bring this and this. If James and Percy, if him is even heavy.
Okay, show me more. Who is this?
This is Hugo,
Hugo?
and this is and this is the original Thomas, and this is Toby.
Wait. Hugo have this? He's a propeller engine, right?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Okay, what about the original Thomas? Wow, this is a rare one, the original Thomas.
And some Ferdinand.
Oh, hello Ferdinand.
And
And who is that?
Henrietta.
Henrietta is belong to Toby, right?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Henrietta. And can I see the original Thomas?
Yeah.
Show me. Oh, this is the original Thomas. Okay, Gi, what's next? I think this is the last part. What is this? What is this bridge?
This is Misty Island.
This is Misty Island. How does it work? Whoa! It's very cool. Can we try again with another train? Okay. Who will be there? Hugo? Okay. Hugo is big. Can he do that?
Yeah. This button. Is it? Yeah.
Oh, you have to bring it back.
No, wait.
Okay. Whoa, so cool.
Henrietta.
Now Henrietta's turn.
Henrietta, I think cannot move.
Why?
Because he's a truck.
This is a truck, it is. Can we try another train maybe? Okay, let's try. Wow.
Ini teman saya.
Okay, can you tell me who is that? Oh, Ferdinand. Hello, Ferdinand. And who is that? The green one.
Philip.
Philip. Is this one? Diesel 10.
Yeah.
So, this is all your Thomas and Friends railway set?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Thank you all for watching my video. Bye. Yep.
And go. Kok diem aja?
Kan baby duluan, habis itu Daddy ajarin.
Oke.
Bye. Subscribe.